So this is the second one. And just with normal forge marks, I put a twist in it, and look at that, it looks awesome. Here's the other one. And we're back. This is a piece of 1/2 inch round stock, 6 inches long, and we're gonna turn this into a drive hook. I've never made one, so let's hope this will be successful. What I like about the drive hook is I saw videos on these things, and for camping and out in the bush, these things are invaluable. I think for a guy with a backpack going into the woods, you need at least, I'd say, carry about 6 of these in your backpack. Yeah, I think these should be awesome. Okay, let's throw this in the fire, and afterwards I'll show you guys how this thing works. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so the first 2 inches of this will be turned into a spike. And that's the part that'll get driven into a stump or a tree or whatever. So, just make a mark here. 2 inches right there. Okay, first set down will be a nice short taper. Secondly, you start forging it on the shoulder to draw it out. Next shoulder, draw it out. So on that 2 inches, I'll try and turn that into about 4 to 6 inch or 4 to 5 inches long. I'm still debating on whether I want it nice and rounded or just keep it square. We'll see. See, there's my 2 inch mark. So now on the shoulder. And right in front of your very eyes, I turned this into a stabby tool. Okay, let's do another heat. I'm just doing the last little bits of cleanup now, using the flat end on the hammer. Making a 5 inch mark to where I want my spike to stop, that's all. A little more. There we go. There's our spike. Now, this is the part that'll be hit into a tree or a stump. We're gonna work on the hook end next. Okay, so now that one side you've turned into a nice square taper. The rest of the 4 inches, taper that out too and draw it out nice and long. You'll have to have a look on the length. I'll measure it after, but the length of this determines the size of your hook and the part where you need to strike with a hammer into your stump. So this entire piece is going to get folded over and folded back with a little nub sticking out, and that's where you're going to hit it with a hammer. And then the rest of that'll be your hook. Okay, I'm not going to bring you along for the draw out. I'll put that in a nice little time lapse, and I'll bring you back when I'm done. Now doubled in length, almost 13 inches, and I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but right here was the first 2 inch punch mark, and we will put this in the vise and we will start doing the bend. Alright, long part's going to be your hook, that's going to go into the stump. Tree spike part, hook part. we're now just going to bend this one up so it looks like that. Okay, tree stump part facing down. Put in the curlicue. Need more heat. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's try that again, shall we? With the wrong pair of tongs. What do you guys think? Not too bad, eh? So the spine area has to be perfectly straight because that's going to rest against your stump or your tree part. So let's clean this up and finish this video up. Done. Now, does this work? Let's see. Whoa. Yeah, I'm not going to put it in all the way, but let's do this sideways and at an angle. Like this. Okay, so now you can put your hammers in here. Look at that. That works. Whoa. That is nice. Okay. So, if I wanted to hit that in all the way, wow, I think I need a bunch of these for my hammers. This works. What do you guys think? Okay. Let me paint you a word picture here. You're stranded somewhere in the woods, and there's a big fallen tree. And coincidentally, this is where you're gonna set up your camp. Okay, so you got these awesome little drive hooks, and this is the fallen tree thing, stump. Okay, imagination. Now you're gonna make yourself a fire. We got fire. And now you got your drive hook, hit into the side of the stump or in the front of the stump, and now you want to make some coffee. But it's too high. But this is still useful. So, S hooks. How high? This high. Okay, if you guys liked and enjoyed this video, and how handy these are, I'm going to make a whole bunch of these because I love them. Hit the like button, please, and share this video. That would be awesome. I think more people need to know about these, even though there's a few videos on YouTube. But yeah. Anyway, guys, hope you guys have a good one. See you on the next one. See ya.